Dane from Paid in Full Car Club. We right back at it. We're in the A this time.
In the A, yes sir. Last
And
time it was what, Raleigh?
Yep.
Back in the A. I should live here. I'm here all the time.
You here all the time. This like your second home?
Second home for real.
We got something new that's sitting right there behind you, man.
Yeah, man. This is the first time I brought it out, man. It's kind of my secret weapon. I told people earlier when I brought out the wide body that I had another thing that I was going to try to drop during the summer. So it definitely came out fall, but it's ready, man. I'm really, really excited about it, and this was the best time to go ahead and pull it out.
I know you're still, like you said, piecing it together. Give us a little bit of details of what you've done to get it to this state right now.
So when I bought it, it wasn't running good when I bought it. It didn't have a passenger door on it. It didn't have a hood on it. It needed some work, right? It looked good. It almost looked as good as it did when I bought it, as far as looking at pictures. But it definitely needed a little bit more work. So I had to get a door. I had to get a hood. I had to get a whole bunch of stuff to get it right. Put it in paint. Took a while, but I redid the interior, redid the trunk, redid the engine. So now it's running pretty good. Still needs a little bit of work, but man, the whole Porsche world is totally different when it comes to engines, man. So it runs pretty good, but it's not all the way there yet.
I appreciate you taking the time to talk to me, Dane.
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Time to get your trophy, man. You got two on with your name on it. Look at this.
I appreciate it, man.
All right, good looking, bro.
I ain't jumping that video like I did the other one. I ain't jumping his video like I did the other one. Like, oh, why does nigga keep jumping in everybody's video? Because you really, I told him you good because you can see, like if you angle this too much, then you don't see as much of the car.
Get your ass back into this. She's standing right in front of me in front of DJ. Trying to buy 40 of things. 1 for 10, 5 for 40, 10 for 80. We take food stamps, we take cash, we take Zelle, we take Cash App, Apple Pay.
best fleet if you got 2 or more cars in a category of its own, because we didn't get some of our members to come out with their fleets. Some did, but still, it was hard. It was a hard decision. Dang paid in full. Dang paid in full. He killed it with the wide body in the Porsche.
Good job, man.
You take my towel on my Alright, so check it out. The same thing, Gold Award goes to Dame for being a trailblazer for the paid-in-full car culture. Everybody knows Dame came and hit the movement, hit the ground running. He goes everywhere, places that most of us don't. He's well known for the industry. He became a great friend of mine through this over a phone call. But Dame is willing to pick the phone up and help any and everybody. That goes a long way. And he's going to show up and he's going to give his best advice. All right? So one of y'all get to put this around his neck and being a goat.
Justin!
Alright, y'all, I forgot my GoPro, so I got the camera rolling, camera phone, and yeah, I just made a decision. Hopefully it's a good one, y'all. Stay tuned, y'all. Any guesses? Any guesses? Any guesses? Oh man, this is wild. This is wild. All right, I'm headed there now. Should be there in probably about maybe 30 minutes, and I'll cut the camera back on. Any idea, y'all? Any idea? Any ideas? All y'all gonna see is the speedometer for right now. Can't even front, y'all. This joint drives good. Drives good. Obviously, I gotta get it dialed in. You know, we're gonna take our time with this one, just like how we take our time with the Saab. The Saab, believe it or not, the final piece was getting it painted. And it took me really, what, 4 years? That car was 4 years in the making to get fully rebuilt. But any guesses, y'all? Any guesses? We need some gas too.